She took the world by storm with just one song. Youngest reggae artist to win a Grammy. Living the high life with millions in the bank. But what's really going on behind the scenes? A luxury home, a mysterious love life, and even drug rumors? Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the inside scoop on your favorite celebrities. Today we're talking about none other than Koffee, the reggae sensation who went from a small-town Jamaican girl to an international superstar. We'll take a virtual tour inside her house, break down her net worth, uncover the truth about her love life, and even address some controversial rumors like, is Koffee really involved in drugs? The answer might surprise you. So if you're a true reggae fan, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because you won't want to miss this one. Let's get started. Before the world knew her as Koffee, she was just Michaela Simpson, a young girl born and raised in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Growing up in a humble home, Koffee was raised by her single mother, a hard-working Ministry of Health employee who kept her grounded in faith and discipline. Her love for music started in church, where she sang in the choir. But it wasn't just gospel that influenced her. Koffee grew up listening to reggae icons like Bob Marley, Protégé, and Chronix, shaping her unique sound. But her big break? That came in 2017, when a simple Instagram video of her singing caught fire. It wasn't long before her track Legend, a tribute to Usain Bolt, gained attention, and even Bolt himself reposted it. That moment changed everything. Koffee's next song, Toast, dropped in 2018, and boom, it was a global hit. The song racked up millions of views, caught the attention of major artists, and even got featured by former U.S. President Barack Obama on his playlist. In just a few short years, Koffee went from a rising artist to a Grammy-winning superstar. In 2020, she made history as the youngest and first female artist to ever win Best Reggae Album. And she did it at just 19 years old. And she didn't stop there. Koffee's unique blend of reggae, dancehall, and hip-hop caught the attention of global superstars. She's worked with artists like Burna, Ed Sheeran, and Gunna, proving that reggae is still alive and thriving on the world stage. Now that she's at the top, everyone wants to know, how does Koffee live? Where does she spend her millions? And what about the rumors surrounding her personal life? Let's find out as we take a look inside Koffee's luxury home. Now that Koffee is a global star, the big question is, where does she call home? Does she still live in Jamaica, or has she moved abroad like other big artists? Well, Koffee keeps her personal life very private, but sources suggest she still spends most of her time in Jamaica, staying connected to her roots. While she hasn't done an official house tour, reports suggest that Koffee has invested in real estate, possibly owning property in Kingston or St. Andrew, where many Jamaican celebrities reside. Her home is said to be modern and stylish, reflecting her laid-back yet classy personality. Think open spaces, sleek furniture, and a touch of reggae culture in every corner. And let's talk about her rides. Does Koffee roll in style? Absolutely. While she's not flashy about it, she's been spotted in some high-end cars, including a sleek Mercedes-Benz SUV and a BMW X6, perfect for the Jamaican roads. Unlike some dancehall artists who love showing off their luxury, Koffee keeps it low-key but classy, letting her success speak for itself. From hit records to brand deals, Koffee is making serious money. But just how rich is she? Stay tuned as we break down Koffee's net worth and how she makes her millions. She came from humble beginnings, but today, Koffee is one of the richest young reggae artists in the world. So how much is she actually worth? Multiple reports estimate that Koffee's net worth is between $2 to $5 million, and she's only getting started. But how does she make her money? Let's break it down. First up, music streaming, the lifeline of modern artists. Koffee's hit songs like Toast, Lockdown, and Pull Up have racked up hundreds of millions of streams worldwide. With platforms like Spotify and Apple Music paying artists per stream, Koffee is earning big money from her massive fan base. But streaming isn't the only way Koffee gets paid. She also cashes in big from live performances. Touring is a major moneymaker, and Koffee has performed at some of the world's biggest festivals, including Coachella, Glastonbury, and Reggae Sumfest. Top artists like Koffee can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 per show, and with international bookings, that number only grows. Now here's where the real money comes in. Brand deals. Koffee has landed major sponsorships with big brands like Clarks and Nike, making her one of the most marketable reggae stars. Her signature Clarks collection brought a fresh reggae vibe to the legendary footwear brand, and her partnership with Nike helped push her global image even further. And of course, there's YouTube money. With millions of views on her music videos, Koffee earns passive income through YouTube ads and sponsorships. With views constantly growing, Koffee's YouTube channel is a steady source of income, adding to her growing fortune. With all this success, how does Koffee really spend her money? Does she live a flashy lifestyle, or is she different from other dancehall stars? Next, we take a deep dive into Koffee's personal life, her relationships, and some shocking rumors. Despite being one of the biggest names in reggae, Koffee keeps her personal life extremely private. Fans are always wondering, does she have a boyfriend? Is she secretly married? Does she have kids? Let's find out. First off, does Koffee have a boyfriend? Well, as of now, there's no confirmed relationship in the public eye. Koffee has never openly spoken about dating anyone, and there's no evidence of her having a husband or long-term partner. Unlike many artists who love to show off their relationships on social media, Koffee keeps things low-key and focused on her music. Of course, when you're famous, the rumors never stop. Over the years, there's been speculation about who Koffee might be dating, but she's never confirmed anything. Koffee has always made it clear her focus is on her music, not relationships. Some fans believe she's just waiting for the right time to open up, while others think she simply prefers to keep things private. And what about kids? Well, there's no record of Koffee having children, and at just 24 years old, she seems fully focused on her career. However, she does have a soft spot for children and has been seen doing charity work to help uplift young kids in Jamaica. So why does Koffee keep her personal life so private? Unlike many dancehall artists who love the spotlight, Koffee stays humble and focused on positivity. She said in interviews that she wants her music to speak for itself, without distractions from personal drama. She doesn't need scandals or controversy to stay relevant. Her talent does all the talking. But that doesn't mean she's free from rumors, because some people are even questioning her connection to drugs. There have been whispers about Koffee's connection to marijuana and other substances. But is there any truth to it? Stay tuned as we break down her real stance on drugs and how she compares to other reggae stars. Unlike many artists in the reggae and dancehall scene, Koffee's lifestyle is different. She's not about flashy jewelry, wild parties, or controversial headlines. Instead, she keeps things simple, stylish, and meaningful. One thing fans love about Koffee is her signature look, the tomboy aesthetic. While many female artists go for glamorous outfits, Koffee sticks to oversized shirts, baggy pants, and of course, her favorite Clarks shoes. She's all about comfort and confidence, proving that you don't need to fit a stereotype to be a superstar. So what does Koffee do when she's not making music? Well, she loves to travel the world, bringing reggae vibes to every corner of the globe. She's also passionate about giving back, often taking time to support youth programs and charity work in Jamaica. And of course, staying fit is important to her. Koffee loves running, working out, and keeping her energy high for those legendary performances. Another key part of Koffee's lifestyle? Her faith. She was raised in a Christian household, and it still influences her life and music today. Unlike many artists who dive into controversy, Koffee keeps her lyrics clean, uplifting, and filled with positivity. She wants to inspire people, not bring them down. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What's Koffee's relationship with drugs? Many reggae and dancehall stars openly promote weed culture, but Koffee is different. Unlike others, she does not publicly endorse marijuana or any drug use. There are no known reports of Koffee using drugs, and she's never been involved in any substance abuse controversies. Instead of promoting partying and drug use, Koffee focuses on positivity, uplifting messages, and empowering young people. Her lyrics are clean, her message is strong, and that's what sets her apart. So, what's next for Koffee? More music? More collaborations? A brand new chapter in her life? One thing's for sure, her journey is just beginning. Let us know in the comments what you think about Koffee's lifestyle. Is she the future of reggae? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more exclusive celebrity deep dives. From humble beginnings in Spanish Town to Grammy-winning international superstar, Koffee has taken the reggae world by storm. She's young, talented, and proving that reggae's future is brighter than ever. We've covered her rise to fame, her net worth, her private life, and even the rumors surrounding her. But one thing is clear, Koffee stays true to herself, focused on spreading positivity through music. Many people misunderstand Koffee because she's different from the usual dancehall stars. She doesn't promote drugs, she keeps her personal life private, and she lets her music do the talking. At just 24 years old, Koffee is only getting started. And with her talent, style, and mindset, she might just be the future of reggae. What do you think? Is Koffee the future of reggae? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on your favorite artists.